What's up, guys? Today we got a pretty cool video. I've had quite a few requests for this, and that's how you can customize your ratchet like that, how to do it super easy, and it'll help you guys out if you've got a couple guys in your shop that have the same ratchets. You don't have to engrave them, plus it looks pretty cool. So let's dive into this. All right, guys, there's a couple things you're gonna need. The first thing, obviously, is a ratchet that you want to do. You can see this is my older snap-on 1/2" drive lock and flex head, and this is a newer one that I got. And today we're gonna be coloring in this one. Obviously, you wanna make sure if you've used it, it don't have any grease or oil that's down in here, so you spray it with a brake cleaner. You're gonna need a paint pen, of course, a microfiber to wipe it off and dry it out good, and a razor blade. So super easy to do. So let's get started. Okay, so obviously I've already sprayed it with the brake cleaner and made sure it didn't have any residue, grease, oil, anything like that. Wiped it down, got it clean. The next thing you're gonna need is a paint pen. I personally like these because the way the tips are made on them, you can get in there and push it down and it'll kind of flow into the ratchet head. It works really good. I picked this up at Napa. They're like $8. They got a little ball in it so you can shake them and get it ready to go. And usually what I'll do is I'll just, take a kind of a test piece, because that ball is spring loaded, and kind of get it flowing pretty good. There we go. You can see just kind of tapping it starts it flowing out. So it's kind of what you're looking for. You just get your ratchet head and you just kind of fill in the gaps in it. It's not hard to do. Just kind of tap it back and forth and fill it in. You don't have to stress about getting it on the kind of the surface of the ratchet, because all that's going to come off. It's going to be clean, so you don't have to worry about that. Get a little up there on the chrome like I did right there, it don't matter. As you can see, I'm kind of filling up the whole entire crack with paint. That way it's getting deep in there. You can see it's all full. And if you want to do your on and off, you can do those. And then the most important part is just let it dry. It needs to be completely dry before you start the next step. And we'll let it dry, and then I'll show you guys what to do from there. But you can see how it looks. It don't look that great right now, but I tried to fill in all of the grooves with that paint. Just let it flow down in there. Like I say, don't worry about where it gets on the chrome, like over here, because it's not gonna matter. We're gonna clean it off. and it'll eventually look like that. So we'll give that some drying time and we'll come back and knock it out. All right, so we gave it several hours of drying time and we're ready to start the cleanup process. What I do is just kind of scrape along this top and it will get any of the kind of gunk that's built up from the paint off to start with, kind of the major portions of it. As you can see it there on the razor. And then I just take a microfiber and the brake clean. Give the microfiber a little spray. Get some out pretty good. And then you just want to lightly wipe across the top. Move to a clean portion of your rag. And there, you see it's done. And that's all there is to it, guys. It's super, super, super easy. I know a lot of people thought it would be a lot harder to do than that, but there's really nothing to it. But that is how you turn, I guess, into like a custom marked ratchet. There's the paint pen and the model number again of what it is. I picked this up at Napa. There's the model number, part number at the bottom, the 01326. But there you go, guys. That's how you do it. Like always, thanks for watching this video. If you like it, be sure to hit that thumbs up. Check over here. We got some merchandise, cool tools and discount codes, all that good stuff down there. And like always, click right down here for that subscribe button. It's free. It never costs you guys a dime. So there you go. Go customize your ratchets. You have a great week, and we will catch you next time. See ya.